Burn the vision board. Shred the 5-year plan. Close the journal where you keep asking the universe for permission. Not because dreaming is bad, but because dreaming has become your hiding place. Music pause. Those pages don't make you strong. They make you comfortable. They let you feel productive without ever becoming dangerous. You were told success needs a destination. A perfect future you can point at and say, "That's where I'm going." But be honest with yourself. Has that future made you calm? Or has it made you anxious? Has it given you control? Or has it chained your identity to something you don't yet have? Music builds. Goals don't empower most people. They postpone them. They trap you in a permanent state of almost successful, almost confident, almost fulfilled, and almost is a weak place to live. Most people spend their entire lives waiting for the right moment, the right break, the right version of themselves. They live in the future, and because of that, they are hollow in the present. One unexpected hit from life, one loss, one rejection, one setback, and they collapse. Why? Because everything they were depended on a FUT. You fall out of love with destinations, and fall in love with pressure. We live in an era of noise. People announce everything. I'm starting a business. I'm getting in shape. I'm working on something big. They broadcast intentions before taking a single step. Machiavelli would call this self-sabotage. He warned that power dies the moment it is explained too early. When you speak your ambitions, two things happen. First, your brain rewards you with dopamine. You feel accomplished without earning it. The hunger disappears. Second, you create resistance, envy, doubt, hidden opposition. You give people time to prepare against you. A strategist never reveals intent until execution is irreversible. Delete your plans from your mouth. Silence is not secrecy, it is energy preservation. Talking leaks power. Doing concentrates it. Think like this. You don't announce a weapon. You build it quietly, and the only sound it makes is the impact. Replace goals with secret agendas. A goal begs reality. An agenda rearranges it. A goal says, "I want promotion." An agenda says, "I will become unavoidable to the decision makers." One is ho. Most people will scroll past this and go back to dreaming. If you're still here, you're different. Subscribe not because you need hype, but because you want structure, discipline, and leverage. No noise, no false hope, only execution. Subscribe and build something that lasts.